Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have something interesting to show you guys again. But first let's talk about transceivers. Back in the day we used walkie-talkies like this one for RF communications, and mobile phones were much bigger than today. Fast forward to the year 2012, we have seen major improvements, particularly in the field of FPV or first person view flying, and that's made possible with micro components like this one. This is a VTX, which stands for video transmitter, and this is a VRX, which stands for video receiver. They are so much smaller and they operate at 5.8 GHz instead of the lower frequency like this pair of walkie-talkies, which operate at 27 MHz and only has a range of about 100 meters. Initially, I planned to use these little modules to make a wireless communication from my electric ukulele to its amplifier. But then wait, there's already a product. Let me show you. Here I present to you AMON 5 GHz, which is the RF connection you need between your electric guitar or electric ukulele to the amplifier. This is a pair of ready-made modules. It says here transmitter, which you plug to your electric uke or electric guitar, and this one says receiver, which you plug to your amplifier. Alright, let's test this and see how it works. Alright, I have my electric uke hooked up to this little pocket amp using the wired connection. Let's hear how it sounds like. Alright, now for the real test using the wireless RF unit. Alright, I have the transmitter plugged in and I just light the switch to turn it on. And I did exactly the same for the receiver module here. And we are live. Sounds pretty good. Let's play the same song. What do I think about this? I think it's really impressive. I think there's some gain adjustment here, so it's really much louder than before. I have to turn down the volume on the amp, so it's actually saving power of my amplifier. And it's clean. Even when I turn up the volume, try again. Alright, I'm going to walk to the furthest corner in the house, get as far away from the receiver as I can, and see whether it still picks up the signal. Yep, it does. It's pretty good. This is nice. Alright, this shall be my little review of the Amon wireless system for the electric uke or electric guitar 5 GHz version, and it works well. That's all I have for this video. Hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.